Hi everybody! After opening the After Effects app, I'm gonna use the workspace default. First of all, I'm creating a new comp. I name it as Hand Drawing and choose some settings. I'm importing an image file from my source directory. I insert the image in the timeline of the related comp. The brush tool works only on a layer, so you have to position the pointer on a layer. In order to make a layer panel to appear, double-click on the related layer in the timeline. Double-click right upon the name of the layer. Resize the layer panel. In the window menu, click on Brushes. That way, the Brushes panel appears in the workspace. Click on the brush tool on the menu bar. By then, the brush panel turns active. Set the spacing to 1% and choose the diameter of the brush large enough to make it visible in the following process. Slide the playhead wherever you want the draw will start. Position the pointer inside the layer panel. The pointer becomes a circle. Then, click and drag the mouse in order to draw a line or whatever shape you want. As soon as one releases the mouse, the draw vanishes. Leave enough time to the computer in order to render the composition marked by a solid green line on the upper part of the timeline. Scrubbing the playhead, the draw is displayed at the same speed it was designed. In the left part of the timeline, completely twirl down the list of the layer we draw into. Let the playhead to be positioned on the last keyframe. Place the mouse back into the layer panel. The pointer turns into a circle. Click and drag the pointer in order to draw a new line. As soon as you release the mouse, the line disappears. Scrubbing the playhead will make the line move the way you drew it before. Thank you for watching. I do hope this show was useful. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a message. You could subscribe as well. It really helps a lot and you won't miss any of my new content. See you next time.